Tomorrow, September 1st, the more than 650 new state laws take effect in Texas, and among those, some very controversial measures dealing with abortion and guns. Political reporter Jack Fink in the CBSN DFW studio with a look at some of these new laws. Jack?
Well, Brooke, one of the laws is called the Fetal Heartbeat bill, and opponents have already asked the U.S. Supreme Court to block the law from taking effect tomorrow. We are waiting to see what the nation's highest court decides to do.
Because we need to stop this before it starts.
And it's real simple. If an unborn baby's heartbeat is detected, that life is protected.
In a separate legal matter today, a judge in Austin decided that the group Texas Right to Life could not file suit against certain parties that provide abortion or related services. But the judge did not block the law from going into effect tomorrow. Under the law, doctors must check for a heartbeat before performing an abortion and can't follow through if they detect a heartbeat. Government entities won't be able to enforce the law, and instead citizens can file lawsuits against abortion providers and others if they suspect them of breaking the law. Supporters say it will save 55,000 abortions from taking place each year. Opponents say this will have a chilling effect on a woman's right to choose under federal law.
It is used as a tool of harassment to prevent people like rape victims from accessing legal services or accessing the medical care that they need and having the choices that we believe that they need when something like that happens.
So we expect this approach to not only hold here in the Texas heartbeat law, but we expect other states are going to follow this type of effort and this type of mechanism as well in law.
Some other laws going into effect touch on public safety and the power grid. That's received a lot of attention. One law is named after Botham Jean, who was shot to death in his own apartment by an off-duty Dallas police officer who said she thought he was an intruder in her apartment. It requires police officers to keep their body cameras on during their entire active investigations. Another law would punish cities with more than 250,000 people that cut police budgets. And electric power generators will also have to winterize their equipment to prevent power outages during winter storms. And happening this afternoon, the Texas House passed the election integrity bill. The state Senate is still debating the measure, but will likely approve it shortly on party lines. Governor Greg Abbott will sign it into law. The permitless or constitutional carry law also goes into effect tomorrow. We'll have a look at that coming up at 5. Ken?